Let me guess, your business delivers great service, but your online reviews don't reflect that. You know your customers are happy, they just forget to leave a review, and when someone finally does, it's a one-star rant about something tiny. Frustrating, right? Welcome back to SaaS Tool Insider, where we test SaaS tools before you buy them. Today, I've got something that quietly fixes that review problem without you lifting a finger. It's called RateMyService, a simple tool that helps you collect more 5-star reviews automatically, without begging, awkward follow-ups, or complicated systems. You drop a little smiley face widget into your email signature, or display a QR code in your store or office, and boom, you're passively collecting feedback day after day while building your online reputation. It's fast, non-intrusive, and it works. Let's start with the email signature widget. This is the star of the show. Every email you send includes a tiny "How did we do?" button, just 2 faces, happy or not. If your client clicks happy, they're encouraged to leave a public 5-star review on Google, Yelp, or wherever you want. If they click sad, it stays private and you get an alert so you can fix the issue before it blows up. No friction, no pressure, just smart timing and better results. Next, the QR code feature. Perfect for in-person businesses, cafes, clinics, agencies, anywhere you interact with clients face-to-face. Print the QR code on receipts, signage, or desk cards and instantly collect feedback on the spot. You catch people while they're still in the experience, not days later when they've forgotten you. And if you manage a team, you'll love the staff-level insights. RateMyService tracks who's getting the most positive feedback, who might need coaching, and even lets you reward great service in real time. It's like having a live performance dashboard for your customer experience, without micromanaging or digging through reviews manually. Now, for the agency folks watching, RateMyService does offer white label, CNAME, and full client dashboard access with the higher lifetime tiers. So if you run an agency, you can brand the entire experience and resell review management as a service without paying monthly SaaS fees or dealing with clunky CRM add-ons. And here's the kicker. This tool normally costs between $99 to $249 per month on their main site. But on AppSumo, you can grab a lifetime deal starting at just $69. One payment, yours forever. No subscriptions, no limits, no headaches. You can even stack codes to unlock agency-level features and unlimited staff access. Link down in the description. Check it out, see if it fits your business. And as always, thanks for watching.